Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm unboxing something that I also haven't seen yet, but I know what it is. It's an air purifier. It's for the car. And we got back from a little day trip from a hill station and we thought that we deserve better air for sure, because this whole conversation of poor air quality has been going around, and it's true. It affects the health really badly. So we thought at least for the car, which is a closed space, a purifier would work well. We have tested out another purifier for the home as well, which works really fine. So this one's for the car. I don't know which brand it is, what the specs are or anything. I just know that there's an air purifier in this. So let's get into it. Ooh, I like the packaging. Ref Air, I think it's called Ref Air, that's the brand, and these are some basic specs on top of the box, which is the QX50 Smart Car Air Purifier. It's a Plasma Protect technology Smart Car Air Purifier, and yeah, let me get it out of the box. And this one's a bit heavy than the earlier one, I believe, and it's bigger in size as well. So this is premium quality, performance, features, and some design specifications. It's got some design since Gravity Direct, filtration, and a sensor technology. And there's a lot of information here. So what's in the box? Purifier, power cable, user manual, a non-slip pad, a fastener or a strap. And okay, I think I am going to open this now. So recently we've been facing a lot of dust and poor quality health issues, like the eyes have been getting affected a lot, breathing is affected a lot, and the ACs don't really help, which is leading to really poor sleep at night. And this continues when we leave for work, and being in a metro city we spend a lot of time in the cars, so we thought at least that time can be in healthier air. Like I said, it's a very controlled environment in a car, so it's possible to have clean air at least in the chamber of the car. So QX50, because nothing feels better than breathing pure air, and I testify that because when we were at the hill station, our health was so good. Even if it was just for a day, it was really good. We have faced that in the past as well. So every time the air quality becomes better, or for example, if I do a deep cleaning of the bedroom, I wash the curtains and everything, our health improves because the dust is lesser. So here it is. This is the actual piece of the air purifier. And I believe these are the anti-slip pads. So wherever you want to place it in the car, and we'll see how to install it. We'll maybe take this into the car as well, and I can show how we place it. And there is some other stuff here, which is, I think this is the strap to hook it on into the car seat, and this is the charger. So it comes with the car charger and the input for the air filter. And is there a manual? Yes, there is. There is this manual which I will need for sure, because I'll be installing this for the first time. I have no idea how to go about it, so let me just read up on this. So it's a pretty unique design on the adapter as well. In fact, this pattern here matches the design of the air filter and the brand, and there are these two free USB ports which come along while you're charging. So when this goes into the car unit, you can continue charging your phones or other devices which you may want to plug in. So it doesn't really stop you from doing other things, because the earlier purifier we had in our car would just take up the spot and we could not do other things. So that's pretty nifty. So that's cool. And this is the strap. So this is a strap which comes with the purifier, and if you see the back side, I do believe this is gonna go from here, and we'll show this later, but it goes in from these slots and it goes into the headrest of the driver's seat or the other seat, and you can kind of hang it there. So it faces, this side faces the back chamber, so where the passengers are sitting in the back side. So, and here you can see a little fan inside as well. when we do plug this in, we will know how much sound this makes or doesn't make. So we will know that once we plug it in. Alright, time to get this into the car. So we're here in the car and let's install this. Come get in. So this is the anti-slip mat. I'll come to it later. Let's just start with this bit. So I'll just put in the strap first. Okay, so I will just do a quick demo before I install it on the back seat, the headrest of the seat. This is the charger. So this is a 12 volts car charger. This is where I'm plugging it in. So this is on, and this is the power cord going here. So I have plugged in the strap, which I'll show in a bit. I've plugged in the cord, and now I want to just start it first to test it out. So this is a little touch panel here, and if I long press it, it starts. Touch for speed. So this is a higher speed, and this is the third level of the speed. Maybe you can hear it or maybe not, depends on my mic. This mic, but it's on. And that's again back to speed 1, speed 2, and speed 3, which is the highest. So let me now plug this into the headrest. Long press to shut it. Okay, so this is where I want to install this. There's a little buckle in which this goes. So there you go, this is installed. Just going to take the wire from here and we will plug it back in. That's a pretty long cord, so that's good, and it's on. So this little LED touch panel here, if it's blue, the text is in blue, it means the air quality is clean, it's good. If it goes red, then it means it's poor. So we'll be testing that out in the next few days, in the next few rides, and hopefully this works. We'll figure out some ways to check how it's affecting our health now, how it's becoming better. But that's all for today. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.